we also need to cultivate our mentality, our spiritual being, and really knowing what we're here for, other than just looking good. Because I promise you, you're more than that. You're more than your body. You're so much more. And in 2021, I want to help you focus on your fitness goals like you've never done before. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kalina. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around for this video, and if you're returning subscribers, I appreciate you so much, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. 2020 has just been a year of reflection, and I know that now we're in a new year. A lot of you guys might have New Year's goals, and you certainly, I bet that you do have some fitness goals. And before we start getting into fitness goal and what you should do and what you should do about it, for so long in my life, I thought fitness was all about the external aspect. I thought fitness was just to look good, to be skinny, to be likable, and that really took me into a really bad place in my life. And so as you're writing your fitness goal, I would really advise you to go back and look into it. Look, if you're writing stuff just because you think it's gonna make you look good for people's approval, it's fine to pursue fitness because you have, you want to look and feel confident in your body. But I want to challenge you to look past that. Look past the external things, because you might look good and you will still be broken inside. And I really don't want that for any of you guys that are watching my channel, because fitness is just more than how we look on the outside, like I've said before. And with my personal story, I made it my mission to help you and as many people as possible to see fitness in a new way, because a lot of times people don't know this, but fitness all starts in your mind. What you're saying when you're doing your workout is what you think about yourself. And what if what you think about yourself is crap? Guess what? It's going to translate in so many parts of your life. But you don't have to go through that, because fitness has brought me so much joy in my life, but also a lot of pain. And the reason why it brought me a lot of pain is because of my thinking. It's because of my mindset that was not right. And I know that there are a lot of people out there with the wrong mindset, and I want to dedicate this channel to having the right mindset about fitness. Because yes, you might look good, you might lift 45 pounds and be stronger, but none of that means anything if what you think about yourself isn't valuable, or you still feel like you're missing something on the inside. And I know we all crave for that purpose into our life. We all crave for something to live for. And if it's through fitness or any other stuff that I post on my channel, I hope that you can find that in your life. And I hope that you will see fitness as a way for you to grow as a person, to break past your comfort zone, and to really become who you are called to be. 2020 was a year of learning for me, and the years before that. And I feel like now that I've figure out my way of doing that, I owe it to you to give advice on how to do this, because I don't want you to go through it alone, because I've went through it alone. And I wish that somebody had told me, had held my hand and say, hey, you're not your body, you're not what society says to be. And I'm here for that. And this is why I want to make it my mission to help you guys in whatever way that I can, to help you guys really have the right mindset about fitness, and really to start living your full potential. And that is why I created the meeting where internal training leads to external transformation. So I want you, and I'm going to help you. Before you're like, whoa, how do I do this? I'm going to help you. And if you guys haven't checked out my blog yet, it is www.legitkalina.com, and I'm going to put it down in the description box below. I have written some blogs to help you in your fitness journey, and I'm going to hopefully, I'm not going to promise anything, I'm going to move through my actions, because I'm done with excuse. We're done with excuse on this channel. This community is not about excuses. We're going to move. We are going to make changes into our lives, and we're going to do that for ourselves. We're going to do that to better ourselves, not to compare ourselves to anybody else, but to just improve who we are. And by doing that, I promise you guys, I know that you're going to be happier, and I know that you are going to start living to your full potential. And that's all that I had to announce for you guys today. As the year 2021 is rolling around for you this year. Anywho, that's it for today. If you like this video and if you're excited about the new content of this YouTube channel, definitely subscribe down below, and you know, like this video if you're excited. Comment down below what is one of your fitness goals that you have this year. But I really want to challenge you, find something internal, whether it's, oh, I want to feel good, something internal. Let's not make it about our external being on this video, okay? Let's make it about something internal. If you want to be a better person for the people around you, you know, if you want to be more caring, this changes life, and I wanted to change yours. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video. So stay legit, and I'll see you guys next time.